Well, the clock is ticking. It is July 30th. In 2 days, it will be August 1st, which means that's when the pause on the tariffs end. And I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, well, Donald Trump's done some deals. He's done Vietnam. He's done the UK. He's done the EU. But are any of those signed? Is there any confirmation coming from these countries that they do actually have a deal? I mean, we can only trust what Donald Trump says, and we know he's a pathological liar. It's real easy to say, yeah, we've got a deal. But do we actually have a deal until something is signed? In fact, some of the things he said he's gotten in these deals, the countries have come back and said, well, that's not quite right. This hasn't been agreed upon, and this hasn't been agreed upon. He's assuming the win, but he has no win to assume. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens on August 1st. Even if you included all those deals he says he has, he had like 90 he was going to do in 90 days. And he hasn't done that. And on August 1st, the pause comes off. So what does Donald Trump do at that point? Does he go full taco, chicken out again, and give him another 90 days? That's more than likely what Donald Trump will do. But if he doesn't, it's going to wreak havoc on our economy, on our stock market. Throughout the world, it's going to cause problems. Donald Trump doesn't think ahead. When he first said that he's going to put this deadline on, he assumed all these countries would come begging to him to cut a deal. Well, they didn't. Now they're scrambling, trying to make it look good. And unfortunately, that's going to be hard to do. Because if you don't have the deals, then you have the tariffs. If you're too afraid of the tariffs, then you got to chicken out, Donnie. This isn't going to be a good week for Dirty Diaper Donnie Trump.